Hey there! Welcome to USPartitions.com. Ever wished ordering toilet partitions could be as easy as ordering a pizza? Well, get ready, because I'm about to show you how our toilet partition planning tool lets you order exactly what you need in just about 1 minute flat. Let's dive in. First things first, let's pick your material. Do you need durable stainless steel, sleek plastic laminate, or something else? Just click to select. And right after that, choose the perfect color to match your space. Easy peasy. Next up, your mounting style. We've got 4 different options to ensure a perfect fit for your setup. See what works best for you. Then, select a layout that perfectly matches your existing toilet drawing. We've got a variety of common configurations. If you're planning for multiple rooms, go ahead and give your room a title. Keeps things super organized. Then, tell us how many stalls you need, and if you have them, the number of urinal screens. Now, here's a crucial one, ADA mode. If your restroom includes an accessible stall, simply toggle this on and select the corresponding ADA-compliant layout. What if nothing quite matches your unique layout? No worries at all. We've got you covered. Just upload your layout files right here. We accept PNG image format. Our expert design team will get to work, build out your custom layout, and send you a personalized price quote within 24 hours. You can also reach us anytime by email or phone, shown at the top right of the page. Once you click Next, you'll land on our awesome drawing canvas. This is where you get to customize your selected layout. See that form on the right sidebar? That's your control panel for adjusting stall dimensions and providing more details like door opening, door swing, door position, and even toilet position. Get it just right. When everything looks perfect, hit Next again, and you're off to the checkout page. Just pop in your email ID and phone number. Here's a cool feature. You can download a drawing of your toilet layout right away. And if you need the same layout for another room, just click to copy it. Saves you so much time. Don't forget to browse our bathroom accessories. You can add anything you need to your cart right
here. The number of accessories will be automatically calculated based on the number of rooms included in your cart. You can adjust the number by clicking the plus and minus signs before placing the final order.
Planning for multiple rooms? You can add them all and place one big order with a single checkout.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your shipping costs directly from the order summary page. Once you've finished adding your rooms to the order, start by entering your email address and phone number. Then click the Final button. A pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to add more rooms before proceeding to shipping. If you're all set, just click OK. Now, click that Final button one more time. This will take you to your order summary, where we can estimate your shipping totals. Please click the Estimate Your Shipping Cost button. From this page, look for the section labeled Enter Your Zip Code. Let's try an example. If your zip code is 14,427, enter it here and click Update. The system will instantly calculate and display your shipping cost. If you need to change your address or try a different zip code, simply edit the field and hit Update again to see the new total. Once you're happy with the shipping estimate, click Proceed to Checkout. On this screen, you'll enter your billing address. If your shipping address is the same as your billing, just check the box to copy that info over. Finally, read through our terms and conditions. Check the box to confirm you agree, then click the PayPal button to complete your secure payment. And that's it. Your order is on its way.
We'll instantly email you a free drawing along with your quote. Make sure to check your inbox and even your spam folder, just in case. Our lead time is super fast, typically between 2 to 5 business days. And yes, you'll receive all necessary hardware with your order. If you ever have any questions or concerns about our product or service, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can call us during office hours at 886-06-4412. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to help you with your next project.